everybody, and welcome to the second part of this installation. Yesterday I installed the sprayer bar, the line that goes from the sprayer bar to the solenoid, and the line that goes from the solenoid all the way to the back of the car is all done. So today I'm gonna try to install all the electronics, the relay, which is this thing, and do all the wiring inside the car. I'm gonna try to do that today. It's gonna be a little bit difficult, but not impossible. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so I connected the positive, the one that goes to the battery, which is the black one on this case, or number 30. That's the number 30 on the relay. They're all the same, so don't worry about it. Number 30, this position goes to the positive. Alright, so I connected here with a connector. Very nice done. So yeah, that's the first one. Now we're gonna connect this one. The white one is the negative, or in this case 85. Yeah, 85. It's 87, 85, 86, 30. The one in the middle doesn't do anything, so don't worry about that one. Okay, so we're gonna do the negative now. So it's supposed to be, negative is the ground. You can do it, put it on the battery, or route it to any other ground that you can find. Let's see what I decide to do with it, where I'm gonna do it. Okay, this is this cable, this wire goes to the solenoid number 87 on the relay. Alright, I'm just blending in everything in black just to make it a little bit stealthy. Alright, so now this cable goes all the way down here. I don't know if you can see it. It goes all the way here to the solenoid. That's the green one, or the 87. All right. connect the last one is this red one, which is number 30, I think. This one goes to the arming switch and all the rest of the switches. So the last one was this red wire. I extended the wire because it's not gonna, it's not gonna be long enough to get inside the car. So I put this, I spliced this wire with this white one, and I put it through the firewall through that connector. All right. I had to take the battery and the ECU out so you can get your hands in there and work your way up. So yeah, that's where this cable is going. It's going inside the car so I can arm the switches and everything else. Right, so next step was installing the ECU. All right, after you finish with that inside, getting the cable inside, put the ECU on. I installed my solenoid right here on this bolt right here. You can barely see it from afar. And now I'm gonna install the battery. All right, so let's do that. Okay, everything is back where it's supposed to be. As you can see, you can't even see where the cable's at. Nothing. Completely stealthy. Very proud. Very proud. All right, now we're going to the inside and finish the install with all the switches. I need to get a ground and a 12 volt key 12 volt source, so that's gonna be the other pain in the ass to find it, but where to plug it, so we'll see. But let's go to the inside and I'll show you what I did. Okay, so I drilled a hole right there. Hope you can see it. Right there, that hole. I took the whole pedal off the car because it was impossible to work there. But yeah, I'm making a couple holes. That's the first one for the wide open throttle switch. So let's see how it ends. Okay, I ended up doing a little bit of trimming with the Dremel to make this fit, because when you put it with the connector, it was interfering. This bump here was too high, and so I reduced it with the Dremel. Now it will fit. Alright, this was the most difficult thing of the whole install so far, but here's the switch. Alright, it's installed there. Let me see if I can get some light there. Alright. Okay, there it is. That's the wide open throttle switch. I cut the lever of the switch a little bit so it doesn't, stick out too much. I still have to zip tie the wires, but yeah, that's the switch. So let's keep going. Okay, for the other two switches, I decided to go with this cover from the emergency brake. The cover that goes right here. Alright, let's see if I can. Okay, that cover right there. So when you lower the key brake, there they are. Not bad. It's not a bad spot. Okay, I need a ground for the switch. Let me see if you can see it. Okay, for this side of the switch, I need a ground. So I chose this right here. Okay, right there. That ground, that red cable. Okay, that's the ground for the switch. And now I need to find a key 12-volt source. So I'm gonna have to route it all the way back to the fuse box. Okay, so let's see. This is the final product of the wiring. They're all there. Yeah, that's the wire. So it's gonna be hidden there, and there it is. Beautiful. Okay, the final ground was for the solenoid. The solenoid ground, I took this one right here and used it. I mean, what better than a factory ground, I think. So yeah, that's the solenoid ground, and the other one is already connected that you saw. So yeah, that's the whole thing. Okay, so there it is, hidden behind the grill. You can see the halo ring. Alright, it fits perfect. Nothing's touching the ring or the line or the solenoid, nothing. There it is. That's the solenoid. The only thing left is a fuse stack that I'm gonna be using for the 12-volt, the key 12-volt that I need. All I need is a fuse stack so I can do the 12-volt switch. I have the cable here, and yeah, that's all I need. And the bracket for the bottle. So yeah, it's not hard to do, but it's not super easy. But anybody can do it. I mean, with a little bit of detail, you can make it look really, really like factory look. So on the next video, you're gonna see the installation of the fuse tab and the brackets for the bottle. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I see you on the next video. Bye bye.